Search for Registry in Windows Search and click on Registry Editor. Alternatively, you can press WinR and type regedit in the Run dialog to open it. By default, Windows saves power by disabling some of the CPU cores when they are not in use. In games, it can occasionally cause slight stutters or input latency, which can be bad for fast-paced games. To disable it, go to the following key and select it. In the right panel, double-click on Attributes and set its value to 0. To confirm the change, search for Edit Power Plan in Windows Search, then go to the Plan's Advanced option. A new Processor Performance Core Parking Min Cores entry under the Processor Power Management is set to 100%, which means core parking is disabled. You can adjust the percentage, but it's best to keep it at 100% for maximum gains. By default, Windows waits for packets and sends ACKs for multiple packets at the same time, decreasing network overhead but introducing latency. Since we want the lowest latency for competitive gaming, you can increase the ACK frequency. However, you need to know your network adapter's GUID first before following the registry hack. Search CMD in Windows Search and open the command prompt. Enter one of this command and take note of the GUID. Move to the following location in the registry. Under Interfaces, select the key with the same name as your network GUID. Then right-click on a space in the right panel, and select New, DWORD 32-bit value. Name it TCP ACK frequency. Double-click on it to open it, and set its value to 1 to force Windows to send an acknowledgement for every packet received. Windows uses a deferred procedure call to manage high-priority tasks and delay low-priority tasks. This delay can introduce input lag when gaming and cause audio interference as well. Move to the following location in the registry. Double-click Disable Paging Executive in the right panel, and set its value to 1. You can adjust mouse settings from Windows Settings, but in the registry, you can have more granular control over each option. In the registry, go to the following location. You'll find multiple mouse settings that you can fine-tune. The following settings can provide a competitive edge when configured. Double-click speed, to avoid accidental double-clicks or ensure double-clicks are always registered. Mouse threshold, helps adjust the exact sensitivity when mouse acceleration kicks in. Mouse speed, decides the speed of mouse acceleration. Mouse hover time, adjust how fast tooltips and hover information show up. Double-click height/width, adjust how much the mouse is allowed to move during double-clicking. You can adjust it to increase double-click precision. Although there are many ways to manage CPU usage priority, the Win32 Priority Separation Registry key offers more granular control over priority and latency. Go to this location in the Windows Registry. Double-click on Win32 Priority Separation and set its value to 26 to ensure the lowest latency, faster information processing, and highest CPU priority for the game when it's in focus. If you don't use any game overlays or multitask while playing games, disabling full-screen optimizations can give you a slight competitive edge. Move to the following location. Open Game DVR_FSE Behavior Mode in the right panel and set its value to 2. Windows throttles the power of background processes to save power. Although it doesn't impact your games when you are playing them, it can still cause trouble if your game opens more than one process. Access this location in the registry. Create a DWORD value in the right panel by right-clicking and selecting New, DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Power Throttling Off and set its value to 1. By default, Windows reserves 20% of CPU resources for background tasks. You can decrease and even remove this value to free up all CPU resources for the foreground programs. Move to the following location in the registry. Here, double-click on System Responsiveness and set its value to 10. This will ensure that fewer CPU resources are reserved for background tasks and more for games. You can also set it to 0 to disable it, but only do it if you don't multitask at all during gaming. Otherwise, you may face delays when switching from gaming to system functions. As a gamer, you probably have enabled Game Mode in Windows. But Game Mode often doesn't use the most powerful priority settings by default, so it's best to manually tweak it. Go to this location. Now set the following values. Windows manages app network priorities to ensure priority tasks, like games, get the most resources. However, this sometimes also causes micro-latency and jitters even in priority tasks as it manages the network. Move the following location again. Set the value of Network Throttling Index to 8F. This will effectively disable it.